Welcome to Talking Calendar Reminder video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to install and use the extension. To start, please go to talkingcalendarreminder.com. Click on Chrome Web Store, then click on Add to Chrome. Then add extension. Now click on the extension icon in the bookmarks bar near top right corner. Find the Talking Calendar extension and pin it to bookmarks bar. Find and click on it in bookmarks bar to open it. A new Google and Microsoft window will automatically pop open to ask you select an account and log on. Once logged in, feel free to minimize the window. Talking Calendar extension is ready to serve you. Thank you for watching the video.